Today I am reviewing these solar post lights. They always add a little bit of class, security, and just a light to your house. These are the solar post lights. These come in an 8-pack. You can see the solar panel right up top. Nice frame. And these actually have RGB lights. These come in white or black. And what's pretty cool about this kit is you can see here, it can fit a 4x4, 6x6, 5x5 wooden post. So you can either fit vinyl, wooden, 6x6 wooden, or 5x5 vinyl. And that works by just switching these little bases out. You also have this, then you can see the base here, and they just twist in. And then this is the little adapter. So pretty easy to do. You just put in these bases, and you can see you can either screw them in from the top or the side. Pretty simple. And then they just screw in like this. And I'm going to go charge these up. I'm going to go ahead and install a bunch of these and show you sometimes. Let's see. Yep, you got to turn them. You got to twist this off, and then you can turn it on right here with either over here to on. It's going to make that kind of light. So we'll put it in so you can see it. It's like a soft light. Or we can switch, and it's working, you know, because we have that on. Or RGB, which is pretty cool. And that's changing. So that's fun. You can always just these are just twist on, no tools needed. So it's going to look kind of like that. That's fun, isn't it? Maybe Christmas, you change it back to RGB. Or maybe you have one of those neighbors that's always complaining to the HOA or something. Just switch it. Mess with them. So let's go get these installed, and I'm going to go check out how they look at night. So here is how the lights look at night. You can see the color in person a lot better than you can on this video. You can see them doing fun strobe, RGB. Very easy to install. They seem to last a long time. And they came on at night. They're pretty fun. Of course, iPhones do this thing where it makes it look lighter out than it is. But definitely gives it a fun party atmosphere, and people would be able to find your house, that's for sure. So let's put it to white now. And just like that, just one little switch, super easy. Took me less than 2 minutes to switch all 8 of them up this hill. We went from party to classy. Pretty cool. Gives a nice white light. You can see all the LEDs in there. Ooh, that looks good right there. You can see them all. Kind of hazes it out, but they look more like that. So this is about the warmth. When I go away from it, kind of blurs it out. But it's like a nice warm white light. And definitely adds, we're out in the country. It makes it a lot easier to see. But, for special occasions, you can put those RGB on for fun, or keep them on if that's your vibe. It depends on what you're going for. Either way, 2 distinct different looks, classy white. These are also available in black. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.